You can see in this close-up of a velvet antler that I took off of one of our deer that died during the summertime, you can see that texture. And that texture, you see at the tip here, it's darker, almost black in color. That's because at the growing tip, there was that protein growth, the building the structure, the mesh net, but there wasn't any mineralization taking place here. As you transition further back, you see less blood and more mineralization, and so this is still not a hardened antler, because the whole antler is still growing and actively building. But if this animal were to have lived through August, this all would become mineralized and there would be no blood in it, and you wouldn't see this texture except for at the very center of the antler. And flipping over here, you can see there's two sections of a cut antler, and this outer part, once the antler is fully mineralized, will be solid bone, and then this area here in the middle is more of an area that would allow veins and arteries to flow through to take blood to the growing tip of the antler. And also the combination of solid bone and spongy bone provides probably more flexibility to the antlers while they're fighting, so that an antler that would be all hardened bone wouldn't be quite as flexible. And even though these antlers are hard, they still need to have a little flexibility to them, and the combination of those two types of bone within the antler actually provides that.